So, section 2.1, exercise 73. I think at the end of exercise 70, I said something about doing exercise 30. I don't know. I was just kind of all messed up on that. So here we have h of x is equal to x plus 7 under the absolute value, and c is -7, so we want to find the derivative there. So we want to find h prime of -7, and using that alternate form that they mention on page 101 at the top. So again, page 101, we have the limit as x goes to -7 of h of x minus h of -7 all over x minus -7, so that'll be x plus 7. So we're going to hopefully get an x plus 7 in the top that we can factor out. So here's our limit as x goes to -7, h of x. So we have the absolute value of x plus 7 minus the absolute value of -7 plus 7. Well, that's just going to be 0 over our x plus 7. And so that's convenient. So this is the limit as x goes to -7 of the absolute value of x plus 7 over x plus 7. Now, this would be great anywhere except at the x plus at -7. Because certainly, no, I cannot place -7 in here. I can't do a direct substitution. But everywhere else, right, for any other x, this just looks like 1. Oh wait, or does it look like 1? And this is where you have to be careful, is notice that if we take the limit as x goes to -7 from the left of -x plus 7 over x plus 7, I can get rid of the absolute values because I know where x is. It's smaller than -7. So a number smaller than -7 makes this positive. And so, oh wait, smaller. I'm sorry. No, it makes it negative. See, I'm trying to screw up again. Right? If it's like -8, -8 plus 7 is -1, then to make this thing the absolute value, so we better look at that here. Okay. The absolute value function is a piecewise defined function. It says this is -x when x is less than 0, and it's x when x is greater than or equal to 0. This often blows people's minds, but when whatever's in there is negative, you take the negative of it, right? If I put a -3 in here, the absolute value is the negative of -3, so I get 3 that way. So here, if I'm coming into the left, I can get rid of those absolute values. So this is equal to, whoops, the limit as x goes to -7 from the left of the negative of x plus 7 over x plus 7. Well, so that's just -1 times this limit of x plus 7 over x plus 7. That's -1. So if I come in from the left, I get -1, but if I come in from the right, the limit as x goes to 7 from the right of the absolute value of x plus 7 over x plus 7. Well, in that case, the absolute value is, the numbers in there is positive. If I have a -6, I get a +1 and so forth. So then I just drop the absolute values. So I have the limit as x goes to -7 from the right of x plus 7. X plus 7. Well, that's 1. Not equal. Bummer. So this limit up here doesn't exist. Does not exist. So in the case of number 73, that derivative does not exist. So f prime, oh wait, no, it wasn't f, it was h or something like that. What was that? H. So h prime of -7 does not exist. Alrighty, so I think that's enough problems from section 2.1.